2 years never do maths, what?
Huh? Never do maths? So 厉害 one ah. Okay, good. Okay. Don't worry about it, okay? Let's do something called quadratic inequality first. Okay, quadratic inequality. Okay, for example, we have now quadratic. Let's go back to quadratic equation first. When I say x equal for x minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0, right? Why x equal to 4 or x equal to 2? Why? Wait, now this one x equal to 4 equal to 2, right? We know, right?
Yeah.
But why?
Cause both can satisfy the equation.
But if there's no such thing you learn, you come to here, how do you claim this equal to this?
I don't know.
Okay, the idea is here.
I don't know why.
You don't know why, okay? It actually very simple, don't worry, okay? Once you see it, you say, hey, just like that. The idea is this. Okay? The idea is equal to 0. What can equal to 0?
Anything.
Anything like 4 can equal to 0 now.
Cannot.
Oh, so not anything.
0 can equal to 0.
What else?
2 minus 2.
Okay, 2 minus 2, okay? When I have A times B equal to 0, how?
0 times 1 lah.
No, okay, so 0 times 1, right? More example?
0 times 2, 0 times 3, 0 times 4, 0 times...
Okay, good. Another pattern?
2 times 0, 2 times 3, 2
good.
3 times 2 times 0, 3 times 0, 4 times...
Any more pattern or not?
No.
One more pattern.
0 times 0.
Good. So it's actually something times 0, 0 times something, or 0 times 0. Any more other things you can become 0?
If I find it, I'll get a Nobel Prize.
Yeah, you find a Nobel Prize, right? Okay. Any more? No more.
No.
Right? Okay, good. So this is why, right? When two things multiply, when you write this way, these two things are multiplied, right? They are either one guy is 0 or both are 0. So this is why this is 0 or this is 0. Once you or both also can. So this is why when two things multiply equal to 0, you say this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. That's how you solve x equal to 4 or x equal to 2. But I'm not interested in all these things, of course. Okay, I want you to know this is the trick of multiplications. Okay? Use a similar concept now. Do something that you never learned. Okay? So what if I say the same thing but not equal to 0? What if I say x minus 4, x minus 2 bigger than 0? How can the things be bigger than 0? Okay, tell me, how come two things multiply and can be bigger than 0? When? Okay, fine, you don't follow the same thing. Example?
Bigger than 0. 2 times 2.
Good.
4 times 4, 5 times 5, 6 times
Okay, another pattern again.
4 times 2, 4 times 3. 3 times 4, 4 times...
Okay, good. Another pattern?
3 times 4.
3 times 4, okay, fine. Okay, another pattern? It is like same value, this value greater than that value greater than this value. Okay. Some other patterns?
No more.
Can or not? Can what?
Not.
Cannot, right?
Cannot. Minus 2 times minus 2.
Oh, yeah, minus 2 times minus 2, right? So in generalize is positive times positive, they give you positive, right? Or negative times negative give you positive. So this is why when it comes to inequality, we play around with individual elements whether it's positive or negative. Okay? And if you can bracket in this way, right, you know x equal to 4 and x equal to 2 are in somewhere in your number line in order. 4 must be in front of 2 or 2 must be in front of 4. Sake of it, okay? Must be in order. So what happened to the whole expressions? Okay, now take out one expression first. Okay, when the idea is that what I'm interested in is that when is it positive, when is it negative? In between is what? Equal to 0, right? But we're not interested in this. In between is 0 to 0, right? When it's 0 to 0, x 0 what?
4.
4. Okay, so you see things happen at 4. Okay, when it is at 4, right? Right hand side of 4, what happened to the x minus 4 this term? Is positive or negative?
X minus 4.
This term is positive or negative? At this side?
Positive.
Positive, right? You should guarantee always positive?
Yeah.
Of course, right?
Yeah.
This side?
Negative.
You're right. Guaranteed, right? So that means, right, every one bracket, right, you turn the sign of positive and negative through is equal to 0, the turning point, and not the geometry turning point. Okay, just turning point. These things turn from positive and negative, and the way the positive and negative is always right side positive, left side negative, right? So when you draw another line, which is at 2, okay, for this term, do you think right hand side is positive? Left side is negative? Okay, right? This is x minus 2. Okay? So when you combine them, right, what do you see? You see that this side is both positive. When you hop over to here, this become negative. Right? This one nothing actually, is still positive. Got it? Then when you hop over, nothing hop over, so this is still negative. Right? And this one hop over the 2 already, so negative. Okay? So where is the acceptable regions? Both positive and both negative. So my answer is x greater than 4 or x lesser than 2. Because at this instance, both are positive. At this instance, both are negative. But do you think 10 questions come in 10 questions, you're going to do it this way?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Otherwise, I don't know. Okay. You will always get Nobel Prize. The bell will ring. Nobel. Okay, whatever. So, how to really solve the equation in a fast way? Okay. Draw another line.
2, 2, 4, 4.
Put the turning point. And you know that by passing through one turning point, the whole expression will change the sign. So just choose any point to test. Okay, I choose 0 to test. Substitute 0 inside, what do I have? 0, 0, negative, negative, positive, right?
Yeah.
Hop over to this region, negative. Hop over this region, positive. Okay, this one, right? You substitute inside, you check everything, it's a combined effect. So this is the combined result of positive. Okay? This is the combined negative, combined positive. Got it? Finally, what do you need? If you need greater than 0, x is lesser than 2 or x is greater than 4. Okay? If you
Is 0 start with what? 0 start with x.
Yeah, start with x. Okay?
X 0 minus 4 is minus 4.
Minus 1 minus 2 together is positive, right?
Yeah.
So it's positive, right? Positive at this point means positive in the whole regions.
I don't know how to get positive.
Substitute 0. Substitute 0, I got minus 4 times minus 2. So we got positive 8.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. So the whole region is positive, whole region is negative, and then whole region is positive. Okay, so you want positive regions, this 2. So x less than 4 or x greater than 4. X less than 2 or x greater than 4. If you want less than 0, you take in between values, so x between 2 and 4. Okay? 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 Good. That's the equality quadratic. Whoa. Okay, so just try a few. Okay, so solve the. This solve x squared minus, plus 5x minus 6 less than 0. Next one is the last one, x plus 2 square less than x 4 minus x, wow, this is complicated, plus 40. Okay. So, do the factorizations. Okay.
Okay.
Draw the turning point. Draw in order. 3 is here, 2 is here. These are turning point. Okay. So do a testing point. Okay. So I choose 0 if I want. You can choose a 1 also anything. Okay. Substitute inside.
Positive.
Positive. So positive, negative, positive. Less than 0. X is between 2 and 3. Okay. Just like that. Okay. When you're doing understanding, it takes some time. Okay. But this one, x squared plus 4x plus 4 less than 4x minus x squared plus 40. Okay. Bring over 2x squared. What? Really? So nice. Minus 36. Go to 0. Okay? Cool. 4x turn cancel. Am I wrong? No, I'm right. Okay. So take out common factor. Okay, you get this.
5 by 2.
Divide by 2, right? No problem, right?
Oh.
The 2 throw over, so it's 2, 0 over 2 is still 2, right? No, it's still 0, right?
Okay.
Okay. So, how to this quadratic? But there's no second term in center. Use identity. A squared minus b squared. A plus b, a minus b. Got it? Okay, so plus square root 18 minus square root 18. Okay, 0 is at the center. Okay, substitute 0 minus
So
plus. So x is between root 18 and minus root 18. Okay, make it a short form. Okay, root 18 is supposed to be what? 2.9. Okay, so it's equal to 3 square root 2. Okay, but this is 3 square root 2. This is minus 3 square root 2. Okay, that's inequality. Okay, so we can do all the exercise 3 until 3.3. Okay, happy with it. Okay, because after 3.3, chapter 3 is finished. Yeah, do until 3.3. So that means the 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, that kind of thing. Still same thing. Do the first question, do the last question, do the mid questions. Okay. Any other things you want to ask? Wait. Your friend?
It's coming.
He's coming, right?
Yeah.
Don't really think, because anyway I start late, so I still take some time. Later I give you all some extra time also. Okay? Wait for me. Yep, anything else you want to ask?
No.
Anything?
Last chapter one.
Last chapter.
Then alpha beta.
Yeah, it's on 3.1, 3.2. This one I did 2 until 3.3.
Oh, so it's here.
Yep, it's here.